Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Betty, and today's video guys, we are doing an empty house tour, and I'm super excited to do this video because it has taken God's heart to reach where I am. I'm so grateful to God. I'm standing right outside the main door, and I love everything in this house, although I'll have to do some few changes here and there. This is the balcony to the main door, and this is what you find first before entering to the house. And I love the space. I can't wait to decorate it. I have a big plan for this area and also every part of this house. This area have this nice gypsum and a very beautiful chandelier that have different writing. Let me show you guys. Now, why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. This is the door to the house, very strong, beautiful, and I do love it. Come to you, come to you. I try to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it all to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. Now to the living room. It's very big and very spacious. This is the gypsum to the living room, which I love it. Tell me, what must I do? This is the TV area, which I don't like at all, but I'll definitely change it anytime soon. It's right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you.
But you long gone, it don't matter. Ride or die, that's been the deal. The light of your back, I disappear. But if you don't play that for me, I'm out of it, I'm out of it. I lick my gun and then I'm done. I'm out of it, I'm out of it. And there's no man to tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away the weight of you, of my shoulders.
This is the dining area, and this is the gypsum and the very beautiful chandelier. The dining have these two big windows. We have this mirror and the sink, and up the mirror kuna this lighting, and down here we have storage.
Go back where you came from, now you're bitter. Out of sight, out of mind for real. Yeah, I wouldn't wanna be you for real. But if you don't play that for me, I'm out of it, I'm out of it. I lick my gun and then I'm done. I'm out of it, I'm out of it. No man to tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away the weight of you.
From the dining you go to the kitchen, also very big. Nothing much in the kitchen, but it's an open kitchen.
I'm brushing away the weight of you. Don't need no man.
like a pantry, nothing much in it, but I'm thinking of putting the shelf, but I'll see what to do with it.
I've seen things that you wouldn't believe. I was lost until I found that I'm invincible. Nobody gon' bring me down. Here we go.
This is the corridor to the bedroom, and it has this lighting yenye ukipita ina light, ukitoka inazima, yani it has a sense of movement. Yeah. This is the first bedroom. It's girl's bedroom and it's painted pink, very big, very spacious. I do love it, especially because I'm not going to paint any other color. I'm going to remain with this pink.
That I'm invincible. Nobody gon' bring me down.
Invincible.
You won't look after my wounds. I suppose you will never regret it. I should throw myself off from the roof, 'cause you fucking love it when I feel. 'Cause you won't look after my wounds. I suppose you will never regret it. I should throw myself off from the roof, 'cause you fucking love it when I feel. You won't look after my wounds. I suppose you will never regret it. I should throw myself off from the roof, 'cause you fucking love it when I feel. 'Cause you won't look after my wounds. I suppose you will never regret it. I should throw myself off from the roof, 'cause you fucking love it when I feel.
a shoe rack which I don't like, but I'm going to remove it from here, but I'll think what I'm going to put in this place.